I barely even lived here, and now it's time for me to leave again. I brought one suitcase and one carry-on when I came back, and 3 months later, I got one more suitcase. Well, let me explain. Last time I came back, I left a pair of boots, and I found that I really missed these boots. So they go into the extra suitcase. And since I'm going back to Canada, I want to bring some traditional Chinese gifts. And this suitcase is almost full already. And although I brought my perfect little spring capsule wardrobe, I did not realize how hot it could get here. Like, how am I supposed to wear this shit when it's 36 degrees? And this shit, and this shit. So I had to buy a couple pieces of summer clothes, including this. I also went to Thailand and got quite a few things, but I'm not gonna bring these because they're not that easy to pack. I'm gonna leave them here so that I can use them next time I come back. But I am going to bring these two because they don't take up much space. I gave myself a day to pack, which is a lot by my standard. And I spent all the time filming and talking to the camera. That took exactly 7 minutes and 11 seconds. I'm getting faster! I'm leaving this dress here because I only wear it on vacation, and also these two sweatshirts, but for a different reason. I find that they're the first things I grab whenever I'm back. And this 3-in-1 trench coat is a gift from a designer. This can be my winter coat whenever I'm back in winter. This is an old full fur coat. It's not warm enough for Canada, so it stays here. I'm filming this just so I can remember what I left behind. This is the only time I don't appreciate these stairs. And I also need to pack all my equipment, and they have to go into a carry-on because they are expensive. I'm packing early because I gotta spend the last night at my parents', so this will be my last night here. Well, that's it. I'm really gonna miss this place. Bye.我们今天4缺1 ，Jessie 阳了，第一个 Jessie 的车。赶飞机之前再搓一个。走了，拜拜。Oh my god, I slept for at least 9-10 hours. Hello, hello. Morning. It's good to be back. Cheers.